Do you ever feel like your small efforts don't matter? That your tiny acts of kindness or quiet du'as are worthless? Allah says, nothing is too small to count. In Surah Az-Zalzalah, Allah reminds us. So whoever does an atom's weight of good will see it. And whoever does an atom's weight of evil will see it. Every smile, every hidden charity. Every quiet, subhanallah, under your breath. Allah records it all. Even the tiniest good deed. The one you forget you did. Will be waiting for you on the day of judgment. Sometimes we think worship only counts when it's big. Praying all night, giving huge charity. But Allah's mercy is so vast that even the smallest act of goodness can be the reason for Jannah. So never underestimate your small deeds. Because on that day, they might be the ones that save you. Comment, even my small deeds matter. Save this to remind yourself that Allah sees everything. Follow for more Quran-based hope and motivation.